This video is for the 5th grade website project assignment 1. First, you're going to go to Weebly.com, then you're going to click on sign up in the top right corner. From here, you click on G+ sign up. Next, click allow. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down about halfway until you see the modern and elegant style, and you're going to click on it and then click on start editing up in the top right corner. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click under where it has a blank under use a subdomain of Weebly.com, and you're going to type in the address for your website. So you might have to put in your names as well. So for example, Freedom Trail, Jack and Jake, you just have to make sure that it says that it's available, and then click on continue. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add your partner as an editor. So you're going to click on the settings tab up at the top, then click on editors on the left-hand side. Click on add editor. And then from here, what you're going to do is you would type in your partner's email address and make sure that you put the 24 and at hanoverstudents.org. Otherwise, it won't work. And then once you've done that, then you click on the Save Editor button down at the bottom. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to delete some of the extra pages. So you're going to click on Pages at the top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the shop page on the left-hand side. And instead of shop, what you're going to do is you're going to type in the name of your location. So for example, I'm doing the Freedom Trail. And then you're going to click on the back arrow right there. And you're going to delete the other pages that you don't need. And actually, before you hit the back arrow, sorry, so make sure you're on the Freedom Trail page. You're going to click where it says no header and choose header. Anyway, so now we click the back arrow, and now we're going to delete these other pages. So we're going to click on home on the left hand side, click delete on the left hand side, click delete in the pop-up that appears. Do the same thing with about, click delete in the window that appears. Click on blog, click delete, and click delete again, and then finally click contact, click delete, click delete. And so now you're just left with the one page. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on build up at the top, and then you're going to click where it says love seat, and you're just going to click off. And then you're going to click where it says click here to edit, and you're going to type in the name of your location again. So in this case, Freedom Trail. Next, what you're going to do is there's going to be a little faded picture down here. You're just going to kind of rest your pointer on that faded picture, and you should see a little X appear, and you just want to click on the X to get rid of that faded picture, and then click on delete. So then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag a text box to go into that white space. And then you're going to open up a new tab, and in the new tab you're going to go to Google Drive and open up your avoiding plagiarism document from last class. So you're going to click on the 3x3 grid, click on Drive, and then you should start typing in avoiding plagiarism up at the top where it says search Drive. And you'll click on the one that has your name on it. So then what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the information from avoiding plagiarism onto your website. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by clicking in the first copied and pasted sentence space. And then you're going to hit tab on your keyboard. And what that's going to do is it's going to highlight your sentence. And then what you want to do is you want to hit Control-C to copy it. From here, you're going to click back over to the Weebly tab, and then you're going to click where it says click here to edit. Then you're going to click on the bulleted list button, and then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard in order to paste it. And so there it is pasted, and then hit enter to go on to the next line. You're going to then click back over to avoiding plagiarism, and you're going to hit tab 2 times so that it highlights the next sentence that you wrote. Hit Control C to copy it, click back over to Weebly, and then hit Control V to paste it. Hit enter again to go on to the next line, click back over to avoiding plagiarism, hit tab 2 times, should be highlighted, Control C to copy, click back over to Weebly, and then Control V to paste, and then enter to go on to the next line. Again, click back to avoiding plagiarism, tab 2 times, Control C to copy, click back over to Weebly, and Control V to paste, then enter to go on to the next line. And then finally, click avoiding plagiarism, tab 2 times, Control C to copy, click back over to Weebly, and then Control V to paste. And so next what you're going to do is you're going to add a citation. And that's where you're going to give credit to the website you used. So you're just going to hit enter 2 times, and then you're going to type in works cited, and you can just copy the spelling right from what I'm doing. Next, what you're going to do is go ahead and hit enter to go on to another line, and you're going to open up a new tab. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to search for the website that you used for your information. So for example, I did the Freedom Trail, so I happened to search about the Freedom Trail, and it was the first link that I happened to use. So you're going to click on that link, and then what you're going to do is click up at the top to highlight the website URL, and you're going to hit Control C on your keyboard. From here, you're going to open up a new tab, and then you're going to go to easybib.com. Make sure you copy the correct spelling. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click in the space under where it says website, and you're going to hit Control V on your keyboard, and then click on where it says Cite It. Then from here, what you're going to do is click on Cite This, and then you're going to scroll down about halfway. And click on Continue to the final step. Again, what you're going to do is scroll down probably about halfway, and next to display URL, you want to check off yes. Then click on Create Citation. From here, what you want to do is you want to copy the citation that Easybib gives you. So it might just take a moment to load, but you're going to copy the information that's underneath where it says, hooray, here's your new citation. So you might need to just scroll down a little bit. And then what you're going to do is just click and drag to highlight it. And then once it's highlighted, you're going to hit Control C to copy. Click back over to Weebly, and make sure your pointer is underneath works cited. Hit Control V on your keyboard to paste it. And then you're going to hit enter a couple times, and then you just want to say written by, and then your first name and last initial, and that's it.